So I'm gonna show you how to remove the rear lights on a Volvo, like the main beam and also the parking. They are the same, they're in one light, they have two, like one bulb with two things, you know. First step is to remove the interior. You have two interior pads. Inside here you have two clips. One of mine are broken, but like, just clip it and it comes out like that. Be a bit careful. Pull it out. As you see, I already removed the bulb, but here sits the position light and the normal beam, like the rear light sits here because they are in the same bulb. Let's change it. Let's test it before installing it. Let's test if the light works before installing it. Yep, it works. Installation is the same. Just put it back. Thanks for watching and I see you next time.